All right, guys, another great find here. Do not waste your money on the dealership or the garages. They will charge you way more than it needs to. These are very simple fixes. First, we're going to do the air filter on my wife's Honda CRV. You're going to see how simple it really is. I am not a mechanic. I am not even close. But the dealerships and the garages, they're going to charge you way too much. You find these right here. I've been using these for years. They work great. Let me show you how it's done. This is how it comes packaged in the plastic. Very easy. And we're going to go ahead and take this off so we can install it. Again, this is a 2017 CRV. You can just unscrew these screws here. You do not have to remove the screws all the way. Usually, you just loosen these two screws here. I think it's time to clean the wife's engine. There's another one over here. There you go. Another one back here. Have it. Again, you should not have to remove the screws totally, but we'll find out. I'm trying to remember. I've done this several times. Now loosen it up enough so you can lift this box up. Put that back. See, that pops off. This one comes out. See how dirty that is? It's time to clean it. Toss it. Take it. Put the new one in. Fits right in. Put it backwards. It will not let you do it wrong. There you go. It lines up. And just resecure the screws. Very simple. Quick installation. And I've probably done this even quicker if I wasn't trying to film it. But I just want to show people how easy it is. I had my wife's car in for service. They wanted to charge an outrageous amount. I won't say how much, but it was a lot more than this. And again, this is simple. I do not do mechanic work at all. I leave it to the pros most of the times. But this right here will save you a lot of money. Even if you went with the OEM parts, it still save you a lot of money. Make sure it's on there. Just because it's spinning does not mean it's secure, but this one is. And there you have it. Done. There you go. Comes for, you can get this in pretty much any make, model car, a year. And I've been using these for years.